We're creating 24 automations that are going to have fun with your sheets or with your colleagues, friends, family, even your bosses. This one is going to be a little weird. We're going to actually let the sheet speak. Every time we edit something, every time we edit a cell, we're going to have it say, hey, autosave failed. Really mess with someone's mind. Go up to extensions app script. Here we have already our function on edit because we've been adding a bunch of automations already. Check those out at bettersheets.co/sheetfools. You can get all of these automations completely free. Just download for free all of these automations to your Google Drive. So we have function on edit. We're going to create a new function auto save failed. We can use E if we want. For this one, we don't necessarily need it. We just need spreadsheet app dot get active dot toast and say oops save failed. And let's put a little emoji so we know it's a little bit cheeky. There we go. Oops, save failed. And let's put a little monkey who just can't see. And on edit, we need to add it here, autosave failed. And again, we don't need this E here. Let's just save it and go back to our sheet. Let's create a new sheet and say, hey, what's going on? Oh my God, every time I edit, it shows me on the bottom right, oops, save failed. Pretty fun little automation you can add to your Google Sheets for fun here on Sheet Fools or April Fool's Day. Check out all of them over at bettersheets.co/sheetfools.